Hi, I'm Diana, and I was given this rechargeable cordless vacuum in return for this video. I'm going to go over some of the features, and you can decide if it would be a fit for you.
So if you're like me and you've got pets like dogs that drag dirt inside or parrots that drop seeds all over the floor, this vacuum is a little sanity saver. I used to dread dragging out the heavy vacuum for quick cleanups. This one, it's light, under 5 pounds, and cordless, so I can grab it and go without feeling like I'm prepping for a workout. What I really love is how it adapts to whatever mess I'm dealing with. It's got 3 suction modes, and switching between them is just a tap on the LED touchscreen. It even shows you how much battery you've got left. And speaking of battery, you get up to 45 minutes of runtime, which is plenty for a full sweep of the house. Now the attachments, it comes with a pet hairbrush, a dust brush, even a dryer vent cleaner. Cleanup is just as easy.
Well, I have to say, I love how light it is. It seems to be picking up everything with no problem. Definitely check this one out.